Hi, how's it going? Today I have for you another Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze pack to open. Again, this one comes with 10 cards, and we'll open it. We'll try and get that VMAX Eternatus, VMAX Charizard. I do really enjoy the, I really like the Rillaboom. Rillaboom is probably my favourite out of the ones in this set. So I wouldn't be mad if I got that. Oh, this one's been very difficult. There we go. Alright. So I've got this one open. Let's see what we get. First card is Wimpod. Very weak, common card. Nothing special about that. Ooh. Grimer. In one of the cards I opened off camera, I think I got another Grimer. Except I think that one was different. Right. Let's continue. Sorry, I dropped the camera. Okay. Clink. Again, I got this one earlier. What I will say is I'm not a big fan of the Clink design. Just, to me, it screams very, I guess, uncreative. I do like Kling Clang, but not Clink. Ducklet. One of the things I do love about Pokemon cards is the art. And this Ducklet art, to me, is pretty adorable. It is a extremely weak Pokemon, but that's very nice art. We've got Mareep. Again, nice art. You can see the little house in the background, standing on a lake. Ooh, we got a Corvisquire. Let me pop this one in. Beautiful. And ooh, Volcarona. I really liked Volcarona in was it Pokemon Black and White? It was one of the ones on my team. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in a protective case as well. Protective sleeve. All right. Now, the energy card. It's an energy card. Oh, Corvisquire. That'll go great with the, we got the holo. Looks like we've got a holo Corvisquire and a non-holo Corvisquire. That's pretty neat, actually. And last but not least, oh no, there's two more. We have Rose and Vanillish. So yeah, this pack, it had, I think, two cards that I really liked. Had Corvisquire, the holo Corvisquire, and had Volcarona. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Which, if you had opened this, which would you add to your deck? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.